Morning!
Mga extra sa live. Hi vlog, shout out!
Shout out po! Sa mga persons. Bababa kami kasi kakain kami ng breakfast. Tapos balik ulit dito. Come on, let's go.
Uy, mukha akong dalaga to, babe.
Oh, mukha ka bang mama? Everyday?
Mukha akong haggard everyday eh.
Croissant?
Croissant. Croissant.
3 croissant.
Croissant.
3 croissant.
Wala tayong mukha dito kasi dito.
Yan.
Thanks, Mama. It's your order, ma'am. Shut mine because it's in lactose.
Gusto nila ako mag Google Map. So, okay.
We'll see what happened.
Parang mahirap tuwan, no? Parang
Talo ka, underbee!
kaya nga, yung way niya parang mahirap.
Wala ko kailangan. Hindi mo tayo naglalakad din. Nag-ano ka na nahirapan.
Okay, let's go. Iba kasi yung map niya. Kaya parang hirap. Hala! Nawala! Oh, there. Okay, let's go. Papi, you don't look at me. Ay! Arte! Okay, tama. Kasi sumusunod naman siya. Sumusunod siya. Tapos liko tayo sa right. Mahirap. Nagbablog tapos nagaganito, no? This is Madrid. Tingnan niyo yung bahay. Ay, bahay ba yan? Parang apartments. Hi! We're here at here. Choreria, Chocolateria. Oh, yun na yun. Alis ka dyan, Juana, para hindi kita masuntok. Power recommend. Yeah, pound recommend and bought some for the fam. Second stop. Yan. That. Papasok tayo doon, guys. Tignan natin kung anong meron doon. Ito na daw yun, guys.
Ito na yun.
So, ito na yun. Ito na yun. Okay, let's go.
Do you have like... Bidede ko lang.
Dede. Yan lang yung pinakita ko. May nabili na silang mga jewelries.
I bought this.
Yeah. That one. Tapos siya naman ano binili na? Ring. Earrings.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Guys, let's go to the next destination. Ano yung next destination?
Palacio Real.
Palacio Real.
Next yung ilugay na natin. Mamaya.
Guys, that's Crypta de la Cathedral. It's a church. What?
Ito yung kata na yun. Haliri na yun? Again.
The Google Map is using paper daw.
Okay.
Ano na to pa-oldies na talaga, be. Sorry. Ah,
Ganito ang mga millennials. Hindi kailangan ng internet. No need for internet. Ito nga ang Museo de Prado.
no, Del Sol.
Where is that Del Sol?
Del Sol kasi yun. Yun eh. Del Sol. Del Sol.
Del Sol?
Del Sol. Ano?
Sol.
Del Sol. Del Sol. Guys, next destination. That. Ano pala to dito? Puro food. Aftermath. Busog na mga babe. I think we are. I think we are full. Busog na. Babalik kami sa Grand Via. Dun sa may mga shopping. Parang shopping center. No, actually it's like outlet. Kasi outdoor siya eh. Let's go na. Hi guys, we're here at Zara again. Kasi kailangan ko ng dress for tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Hindi yan pala. More stores.
No, we need to get your first stuff.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go now. Alright. Let's go. Guys, baka nag-wonder kayo kasi blue na yung suot ko. This is like after 5 hours, I think. Kakain kami ng dinner. What time na ba? It's 7 o'clock. I think it's 7:21. Oh, 7:21 na. Kakain na kami ng dinner kasi mag-travel naman kami to Barcelona.
Your hands. Or it's so nice with the show the nails and the rings.
That's it, Paiya. Hi guys. It's so funny. Look at my eyelashes. So anyway, andito na kami sa laki naman ang mukha ko. I'm so bothered. Saglit lang guys. Mamaya na tayo mag-usap. Ayan o, ayan. Taxi pala yan. 59.50. Saan siya nag-arrive? Guys, it's almost 11 p.m. and we're homeless. Charis. Ano guys, nag-aantay kami ng Bolt. Kasi pupunta na kami ng Barcelona. Look at us. Girls.
We don't have money anymore. Please help us.
Na-stress na daw ang mga person.
Be, baka tumawid pa tayo.
Tama yung turn dyan.
Ayun siya, sa kabila. Help! Ayun siya. Help us!
59:15? Oh, yan na. Guys, dito ka mag-guys, me. I'm so tired of saying guys. I know.
Wala na energy ka.
Oo. Guys, hanapin mo yung energy ko. Bilis. Bigay mo sa akin.
Pakihanap, please.
Oo, paghihanap.
We need it.
I can't find it anymore. We're on our way na, guys.
Nakakapagod ko na trip. But, it's okay.
Yeah.
I get to see places.
Oh.
I get to be with my friend.
Bukas, be haggard talaga to, be haggard. Ano ngayon? Spanish ang haggard? Demacrade? Ano yun? Decremade? Basta. Yun na yun. Search nyo lang. Ano ko energy. Bye. See you tomorrow.